What's up everyone, good morning and good afternoon, welcome to a new video. If you're new, please subscribe, give it a like, comment and share please, I do appreciate it. Today I'm going to tackle the brakes on the EGA. I've done them before, but obviously the copper washers failed I think, or I didn't tighten it enough and they leaked out, so they're gone spongy again. So I'm going to tackle that, and then after that, back down to the garage. I'm going to do a full clear out, proper clear out. Get cars in and out, move them, clean up, get it ready to get the Civic finished and the Mini painted. So yeah guys, enjoy the video, and I'm going to be using an easy bleed kit, so I'll show you how to use that as well. It's pretty easy. It's a one-man bleed kit. You hook it up and you press the pedal and it does everything itself. It has a special suction thing in it, so yeah, it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to go out, jack up the Civic and enjoy the video. Peace. Now everyone, this is the easy bleed kit. It's the one-man brake and clutch bleeding kit. It's very handy to use, so I'm just going to get it set up and I'll show you. Now guys, just going to crack on with this. I'm going to hook it up to the lead nipple. So what you want to do is you want to crack it loose. Crack it loose. Right. You don't want to loosen it too much because the fluid will pop out. So now you need to put the pipe onto the nipple and lock it on with the plastic piece. That's pretty much it for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up the front, press the brake 5 times, and it should come out here with no bubbles hopefully. So yeah, keep an eye on it. Tighten it down. Span it. So you can see there's no bubbles. There's a bubble here travelling up, but it's not going to get near it. So I'm going to tighten that off. Take the plastic bit off and then pull it off there, and that's it. Bled. So yeah, it's one of the best kits I've ever used. It's easy to use, collects all the fluid in it, and it's pretty dirty. So yeah, it does a good job. I'm just going to fasten this up with the ratchet, get a good turn on it. So that's that bled, pretty easy. I'm going to tighten off the rest, so enjoy. Hopefully that helped you. Unfortunately, the root of the problem wasn't a copper washer. This seal is gone. Only freshly rebuilt, but it's leaking out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can get a seal kit now and redo this. So yeah, that's a complete epic fail. I just had to order a new brake caliper, €70. Not too bad for a rare caliper, but it just means that it's set back now for a few days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head down the garage, clean up here, and head down the garage and get all me tidy and done. So yeah, peace out. brother ordered some new stuff for the car. We got amber corners. Oh, they actually look good. Clear amber corners. Brad Hole set. As usual, he bought that off me. We knew he would. Torque mounts. My BAFC2. Obviously, he's not keeping that. What else did he get? Oh, he got 50/50 rear lights. Oh, we have to take them out now and have a look. TGO. Oh! Braided brake lines. Yeah, they're torque mounts I got off AliExpress for €15. Actually decent, they're nice and strong, so he's going to use them because he won't fit mine now that we're not doing the B16. BAFC2, that's going in my Mini. You can fuck off. Hoses are nice. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Put them back in. They're gonna look really good in the car. So I'll throw this box back in. Kettle has a place.